The suit filed at the Upper Sharia Court won by the ZAMFARA state government against the dethroned Emir of Dethroned Emirate in Maru local government area over alleged complicity in banditry activities in the troubled area has again suffered a setback as the prosecutors are unable to present witnesses and evidence for the 7th consecutive time. The prosecutors were expected to come forward with their evidence and witnesses to give testimonies, but claimed that the only witness that agreed to come disappeared before court sitting. The report.
The prosecutors asked the court to issue an order to compel the witness who received the summons to testify against the dethroned Emir of Dethroned Emirate to come on the 23rd of September, which the case has been adjourned to. The presiding judge, Hadi Sani, after listening to the arguments of both counsels on the matter, issued a court order to compel the witness to appear in court on the adjourned date for the continuation of the hearing. One of the prosecutors, Barrister Ibrahim Umar, cited insecurity in the Dethroned area as one of the reasons causing the delay in presenting the 5 witnesses to give testimonies in court on the allegations against the dethroned Emir over his complicity in banditry activities in the state. He said 2 of the witnesses are living in Gusau metropolis who are expected to be served with the summons to appear in court this Monday to testify, but only one was served, who came to the court and later disappeared.
We are all aware that ZAMFARA State and a critical insecurity prevailing all over the area, particularly this area where the Dethroned Emir was camped. Dethroned, it is privileged information. It is notorious fact that it is not easy for somebody to convey himself to Dethroned this much. Insecurity is overwhelming over there. We have to apply tactics in inviting our witnesses.
Counsel to the dethroned Emir of Dethroned, Barrister Bello Kotorkoshi, argued that this is the 7th court sitting where the police and the Office of the State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice failed to open the case and present witnesses. Therefore, he asked the court to discharge his client and dismiss the suit.
The case was adjourned to this date for continuation or presentation of evidence and facts. The last date, the State Council or the representative of the Attorney General took a date that they would present their witnesses today. And they issued a witness summon to the witnesses. And so you can see what happened in the court. Still, as usual, the witnesses were nowhere to be found.
It will be recalled that the ZAMFARA state government had last year suspended the Emir of Dethroned, Hussein Umar, and that of Zurmi, now late Abubakar Atiku, over connivance with the terrorists troubling the state. The dethroned emirs were detained for about 11 months at the government house, Gusau. It thereafter, in April 2022, instituted a suit against the 2 emirs in court to